In this video, I'm going to show you step by step with no step skip on how to convert any website into a mobile application easily. No coding required, no experience needed. Just watch this video till the very end. How to install the software is in the description below. This is very useful for both small business and large scale organization. Mobile application is important for business because it gives convenience and accessibility, enhanced engagement, personalized experience, offline functionality, entertainment and productivity, direct marketing channel, increased customers loyalty and engagement, and improve customer service, brand building, data collection and analysis. Note that this channel does not promote or encourage illegal activity. All contents provided by this channel is for educational purposes, okay? And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Now let's get started. First off, you need to open the software application. This is the interface of the software and this is the pro version of the software. You have two options here to convert your website into a mobile application. The first option is the local HTML website, while the second option is the URL website, okay? But in this video, we're going to use the two. So next, you need to give the application a title. I'm going to use Site 6 Mobile. Then next is the package name. I'm going to change this to my company name, which is Site Systems. Then next, website design. We're into website design, so I'll add a website design here. Then the version, you can leave it at that or you can change it to 1.1, okay? Then the app orientation will be auto. The output directory, you can change it, but mine, I will leave it to be on desktop. Then the about dialog, you can edit all this, but for me, I'll choose to leave it at this. Best way to grow your business. Then you can just edit all you have here. Right after that, I will upload the file, the HTML website from my desktop. I will just click on this, go to my desktop. This is the HTML file which I'm going to be using. I will just select it and click on OK. All right. Right after that, I'll change the logo. This is the logo. I'm going to change this particular logo. So you click on change icon. I already have this logo here. So I will search for the logo. Okay. This is my logo. So I will just click on open to change what I already have there. Now, next, what you need to do is to generate your key store and sign in. And to do that, just click on the key store. Then once you click on the key store, you select this custom key store. You can use the one for Google and all that stuff, but they are not recommended. This is most recommended, the custom key store. Okay, the purpose of this key store is for security, authentication and integrity. Okay, to create one, you can just click on this, but I'm going to show you a quick shortcut on how to create your key store. So to make everything easier, I've made provision for everything you need to convert your website into a mobile app. If you have the full package of this software, so you can just go ahead and install. This is the setup and this is the crack, this is the Java, this is the key store. Okay, I'll just open the key store. This is the software that you are going to use to generate your key store. I will just double click on it. I already have this installed to my computer, so I'm just going to show you how to install this particular software. So you just click yes to install. Once you double click on it, you click next. Okay, next and click install, so it will install to your system. So once the installation is successful, you can just launch it. Okay, I will just click my Windows key and then search for Key Store Explorer. Okay, so I'll close this. This is the software we're going to use to generate our key store certificate. Okay, so first thing we need to do here is to click on this new, then select JKS and then click on OK. So next you click on generate key pair. All right, then click OK. Here you have to change the dates. Okay, you have to change this to 25. Just click on apply. After you change the validity years, you have to click on apply for the date to change. Then you click on edit name here. Common name, I'm going to use Civic. Next, Site Systems Unit. Next, I'm going to use Site Systems Limited. Locality, you add your address. I'm just going to use Texas just for the purpose of this video. I'm just going to use Texas as an example. Then the country, I will add US here. So once you are done with this, filling up this form, you have to click on OK and then click on OK again. Then the enter alias, you must be very careful the kind of alias you use here because this is the login details you will need. Okay, so I'm just going to change this alias to whatsoever I want and then click on OK, and then the password as well, you have to be careful the kind of password you use. These are supposed to be secret, so this password is a secret password that you are going to need. So you just click on OK. Key pair generation successful, just click on OK. So now you have your key ready. So next you want to save it to your desktop. You just click on save, then you have to enter a password and then click on OK. So you choose the place you want to save this very key. So I'm just going to use civic1.keystore. So when saving this, you will need to add keystore at the end. Okay, so you add a name, then you add keystore and then click on save. All right, so once you are done with that, you can now close the keystore explorer. Next, you have to come back to the web to app builder and select the key store. Okay, I'm going to go to my desktop. That's where I have it saved. I'll go to my desktop and then select the key store I just saved. Okay, this is it. Then I'll open the key store. Next, you have to impute the password, and here you need to include the alias name. You have to include it here, and then the password of the alias, you have to add it there. Then you click on import and apply. Okay, applied successfully. Click on OK. So you are done. So once you are done, you cannot build your Android application. Just click on build, click on OK. APK created successfully. Just click on finish, and then what we need to do next is to build another app using the web URL. Okay, I'm going to show you how to build an app using the URL. Okay, so I'm going to change this name now. Since we already use Sysys Mobile, I don't need to use that anymore, so I will say Sysys app. Okay, Sysys application. I will leave every other thing as they are. Then I will change the logo from here. So I've just changed the logo. So after the logo has been changed, I will go to my website and copy the URL of my website. Okay, this is my website, so I will copy the URL of my website here, and then go back to the software application and then paste the URL here. Okay, so once you paste the URL, you click on this build Android application again and click on OK. So once this is successful, you just click on finish. We now have two mobile application converted. We just converted. Next, we're going to copy those two mobile application into our phone and then install those applications to our phone. Okay, I will just plug in my phone to the laptop. Okay, so once I connect my phone, I will go to the desktop and copy the two mobile apps we just built to the mobile phone. Okay, these are the two apps. I will just select the two apps, then copy to my mobile phone. This is my phone, so I will paste the app in this location on my phone. Okay, so next we're going to install those apps into my mobile phone. All right, so this is my phone. I'm going to go to the location where I have those files. Okay, so as you can see, these are the two applications, right? So I will just install the first one. Install. So I'm done installing that. Let's go ahead and open those applications and see how it works. Okay, this is the first one I just installed. I'm going to install the second one. You can give access if you want to. Then it will take you to my website. Okay, Sysys app, Sysys mobile. Okay, this is the second one, I guess. Okay, Sysys mobile. I'm also going to look for Sysys mobile, and then okay, Sysys mobile. So this is exactly how you convert any website into a mobile application. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video like this, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.